Hello everyone. I am Aditya Gautam, and currently I am a student and looking for a job. And I got placed in IIT, Tata Steel, but still there is no communication regarding the job location. And the main idea was to join this group to enhance my capability. I feel like I am an introvert, so I face many problems while talking to other person. So the basic thing is I want to improve my communication, and what I feel personally is like I'm lacking in something, and I need some kind of support where I can make a good friend circle, and I can overcome those things. So this was whole thing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Vikas Waghela, and I am from Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and I have completed my BTech, and I was placed in L&T, but I left that companies for some better futures, and I have applied for IITs in IITs and some various departments, and now I am preparing for interview and also I am shortlisted in some PSUs also, so I am also preparing now for the interviews. एंड एक ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करने का मेन मोटिव तो ये था फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जब सौरभ ने ग्रुप में डाला कि सम करियर रिगार्डिंग होगा तो मुझे लगा लाइक सम देयर वाज सम गाइडेंस प्रोग्राम, बट देन आई आफ्टर ही कॉल्ड मी एंड आई रियलाइज दैट दिस इज नॉट दैट सम करियर रिगार्डिंग नहीं है, बट कुछ ऐसा है कि जो मोटिवेशनल और समथिंग लाइक दैट है. देन I I watched the videos on YouTube that available on Soros playlist, and then I was अच्छा है तो फिर कुछ लाइक कुछ न्यू एक्टिविटी भी लाइफ में होनी चाहिए. एंड आई नेवर रेड दिस काइंड ऑफ बुक इन माय लाइफ. सो लाइक इफ अब अगर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं कि चलो कुछ बात नहीं, ये बुक पढ़ लेते हैं, तो कभी ऐसे खत्म नहीं होगे, लाइक 2 पेज पढ़ेंगे और फिर रख देंगे. लेकिन क्या है कि इसमें कुछ एक टारगेट रहता है कि नहीं, एक वीक है इसमें कुछ इतना 2 चैप्टर कंप्लीट करना है. देन आफ्टर अगर आप एक बार हम अपना इंटेंशन क्लियर कर लोगे फिर तो कोई बात नहीं है, बट फॉर स्टार्टिंग फॉर सम इनिशिएशन this is the good, so that's why I joined this group. And after reading this book, now I felt that this is the right choice that I have made.
Hello everyone, myself Pradyuman Kumar Shahani, and currently I am a final year student in VIT Vellore, production industrial branch, and currently I am placed in TCS. So actually the training process is currently going on. And regarding this particular group, why I wanted to join is the first and the foremost is to be more engaging. To I'm kind of very introvert. I don't discuss much, so to be in a part of a friend circle where I can like discuss, motivate, take some inspiration from others too. And the second reason is that I'm not very good with reading books at all. Like I started reading books like Life Without Limit and this Atomic Habits and all, but I certainly ended up not completing it at all. So I wanted some groups or some like circles of people where I can get to know how to read it, how like there is some target based like learning also is there. And through this I can like achieve like a I can be a better person from my past. So all these things, in short, it's very good to have a community where we can learn, react, be a better person to ourselves, all those stuff. So that's all from my side. And yes, I'm from Gujarat, Vapi, Gujarat, Vapi.
I am doing AMCOM from Lucknow University, and the hometown is from Devariya district in UP. This is something. And we talk about it. I think I'm the person who just started from the first day. I'm connected from the first day. So this helped me a lot because I completed 3 books only due to this initiative. Because what one mentioned that we started but we don't end up. This is something which is not faced by one person. Even it's happened with number of people. So these groups help me to push because when Sunday ends, we have in thought कि Monday को करना है तो करना है Monday Tuesday one day lag थर्सडे को गैप पड़ जाता है, बट ऑन फ्राइडे that reminds me कि Sunday को we have session, so then we have to connect with all the targets that we have to complete it, right? So this is something which make me a consistent person. So obviously all thanks to Saurabh to take this initiative for us, and obviously it's helpful for those people who just be a part of this, because there are a number of people just started from the first day but they quit, and this is something which is not going to be trait of a successful person. If you start something, you have to be part of this, because there are number of hindrance comes in part of success. Obviously you have to be fixed, like karna hai to karna hai. This is something which I feel to share with all.
Thank you, Dipali, for those kind words. Hello everyone, this is Shubham Avasti. I'm doing masters from IIT Kanpur. I am 1 year junior to Saurabh Gupta. In few days I'll be starting my internship in Emphasis, the company in which Saurabh has interned before, and he's going to join in few months too. My reasons for being a part of this group is that I take it in a very easygoing way. I like to develop good habits, and which I have seen the initiative of Saurabh is very good. When the technical skills that one possesses in the college, it helps you get into the company, but to take you forward, the soft skills are very important. So here, when the people comes and share their views, they are in a very different way. They're building their soft skills. Some of them are learning how to communicate with each other. Some of them are getting to know that how to make effective use of business English or communication. So these are the way I find this group to be very appropriate. And one of the good thing is that you have to start something new every week or in every 4 weeks. I have been a part of this group since in the beginning, but I left in between. I'm finding my track back to its way to get along with all the people who are part of this group. Happy to be here.
Good afternoon to everyone. I'm Rajni Gupta and I'm from Balia district. I recently completed my master's from Zoology department.
About quotes, like I have mentioned, like I have noted some points, like regarding how to convert our thoughts into a reality. So for that we need three things which is most important, like definiteness of purpose, we need persistence, and a burning desire. So this was the brief introduction about the chapter first, and he explains by some example of Barney, where he wanted to be a investor for Edison, and he has only a desire to be an investor, but through his thought and the definiteness and persistence and burning desire, he achieved it finally. And yeah, yes, in class 12th I decided, like I first got to know about IIT, so like I wanted to be in IIT, so I appeared for JEE Advance, but I failed there. So after taking drop, I again prepared for JEE mains, but again I failed there. And after that, what I thought, it's better to go to IIT through GATE. So I opt for BTech in agriculture engineering, and through agriculture engineering, I get into IIT Kharagpur in industrial department. So for me, it was my like biggest achievement, and I complete and I follow the things there.
Hi, hi, Saurabh. Actually, I have completed introduction part and first chapter, but I like most one paragraph that it is said that one of the main weakness of the mankind is the average man's familiarity with word impossible. Like हम कभी भी कुछ target set करते हैं, then कुछ try करते हैं थोड़ा बहुत, but like then we will feel that like this is the impossible for me. I cannot do this kind of things. So like हम जल्दी से क्विट कर देते हैं कि नहीं ये मेरे से नहीं होगा, बट वी हैव टू बिकम द सक्सेस कॉन्शियस. Like success comes to those who become success conscious. So we have to stood by our desire that नहीं हम मुझे मतलब ये करना है, then I have to do by anyway. So I like this person very much. And also in a first chapter, just a minute. हाँ, in introduction portion, the एक example दिया हुआ था हेनरी फोर्ड का, that they want to make some engine of eight cylinder in a one cast, but like he told his employees that make it, but everyone was like it is impossible, that we cannot make it. But he said that नहीं बस तुम ये करो. Like after 6 months they have tried but they failed. Another 6 months they have tried and they failed. But after so long time, and they achieved their target. And that's why Henry Ford is a successful name, because whenever he decided that I have to make this decision, so he stood by his decision. So I like this person very much in the introduction part also.
Yes. There are a number of thoughts that already discussed, so I just want to add some different point. On page number 32, the author described number of things, like we set a target on a single day, right, to achieve this at a certain period of time. But what happens when in duration of that time, we just lap to achieve this, because number of things happens. Obviously, the main thing is pandemic, or there are a number of things like family and all this stuff. But the thing is, when we pan it down today, that we achieve this target on that day, or in difference of some years or some months, right? Then this is something which have that potential, that create potential in our mind, that we have to achieve it. At any cost, we have to achieve it, because this is something, this is my own work, this is my karma. So in that page, the author described point 1, fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. They relate with money, but there are a number of other points which discuss. In second point, he mentioned determine exactly what you intend to give in return for the money you desire. Because if we have that capacity to earn some amount of money, obviously at that same point, we have that thinking what we have to do with that amount of money. That will give us the desire, burning desire. Because if we want something but we don't have that much use of it, then obviously we're not going to give a shit. So this is something we must know about, what the utility of that things that we want to be. And the third one is establish a definite date when you intend to possess the money you desire. Obviously, the date is too important, because number of people achieve their success, but the time they take is too much. This is something which I understood as a girl. Success is important, no doubt, but if you are getting over a long period of time, this is something which which disturb your own mental ability. So this is something which you have to set it. Is date mein ye chahiye to chahiye. Obviously, things maybe goes up and down, but if you there is one quote like, if you shoot for the moon, you will land among the stars. So this is which I always kept in mind. You always things for the big dreams. You always target for the big dreams. And the fourth point is create a definite path. Obviously, we have a map. The map which always tell us this is your task of today. This is task for your tomorrow. This will help us to think. This will help us to focus on our work, not focus on what we have to do. So this is one of the most important. And the fifth one is write out clearly what you want to be and read it twice in a day. So this will help you to just be focused. You are not going to like आप अपने पास से move नहीं होंगे. You will on the track to achieve what you want, and this is all about. So there are a number of people in this platform are IITians, and everyone face that competition scenario. So obviously all of you are aware of this, but I just love this part, so I think
yes sure भैया. जैसा आपने कहा था, like why factor बहुत important है in order to clear your goal, your mind, your focus. So while I just started the book, the very first chapter, they have used the term burning desire, right? And they have also told that कि it's not like कि आपने कल सोचा कि हाँ मुझे business associate बनना है मिस्टर एडिसन के साथ, and today I want to become that particular person, right? तो उसको time लगता है. It will have like consume some time in order to have that particular burning desire in you. and in between there is so many hurdles as shown in the book, like he neither knew Mr. Edison, nor he has the money in order to like go to that particular place, but उसने कुछ ना कुछ करके find out कर लिया कि हाँ कैसे भी जाना है, मतलब जाना है. So ये क्यों हुआ? Because he has that particular thing sorted in his mind that हाँ मुझे उनका associate बनना है, उनके साथ काम करना है, उनके लिए नहीं but उनके साथ जरूर काम करना है, because he's that great inventor at that particular time. So that particular burning desire is very clear. If you want to achieve any goal, then वो particular desire होना ही चाहिए. That's the very first thing that I noticed while reading this book. And the second thing is that agar like if you made your mind to that particular goal, then you have to be consistent. There is a term called persistence. Like at that particular meeting with the Mr. Edison, he didn't get that particular job. Okay, he were getting some jobs which are not very important to Mr. Edison, but he's keep doing it. Why? Because he see the opportunity in order to grow and show himself that he's capable of that particular post, right? तो हमें persistence मतलब वो चीज create करना जरूरी है काफी. Even if in your college, if you get any internship for any particular company, right? And if you're not going to show your ability to your manager to through your work, then you are not going to get any pre-placement offer, right? तो वो चीज persistence is very crucial. बहुत लोग होते हैं जो like short term goals set करते हैं और they thought that 1 to 2 days में I will get result, I'll be happy. But that is not something that we should focus on. That is the second thing I like learned from this particular book. And third thing is that जो थॉट था, जो इनिशियल थॉट था मिस्टर उनका नाम था एडविन, मिस्टर एडविन, जो उनका फर्स्ट थॉट था कि ही वांटेड टू बिकम द एसोसिएट, बिजनेस एसोसिएट ऑफ मिस्टर एडिसन, और उनमें लाइक ही इज हैविंग फेथ इन हिमसेल्फ, विलिंगनेस टू विन, जो कि इवन मोर वर्थ, it has more worth over $1 million also, because $1 million is an outcome. Okay, his main desire was to do something with the greatest inventor of that particular time. वो outcome even billions of dollars भी हो सकता था. तो उनका फोकस वो डॉलर्स पे नहीं थे बल्कि उनके काम पे थे. There's a term mentioned in the book that invented by Mr. Edison and I guess installed by Mr. Edwin. I'm not sure whether it's correct or not, but ऐसा ही कुछ था. तो उतना अपने काम पे डिवोट था लाइक वो कि वो चल गया, काम हो गया. And Dipali has said that you should always like shoot for the moon, even if you miss it, you land among the stars. And I hope like everybody have seen this web series of aspirants, जहाँ पे like Sandeep Bhaiya, he has prepared for IAS exam, right? But कितना भी मेहनत करने के बाद he didn't able to clear it, but he still able to clear the PSC exam, which is also a good reputed civil servant. Okay, PSC exam clear करने के बाद भी वो he is capable to do something, not IAS, but he is capable to do something, right? तो वो प्रोसेस में अगर आप हम like if you are achieving to land up in the moon, तो वो जो प्रोसेस होता है उसमें हम आप इतना सीख जाते हैं कि हम इतने कैपेबल हो जाते हैं कि हम अपने पास से कुछ और बेटर कर ही सकते हैं. So that's the third thing that I like learned from this particular book, and that's all till now. मैंने अभी इतना ही read किया. That's all I can find it out.
Okay, yeah, you are correct. A lot of things have been covered by other people. But one thing I think most people have missed is that there was one mention about the opportunity, that how opportunity comes in a life. He says that opportunity always comes in disguise form. It is that one trick of opportunity. It has a sly habit of slipping in through a back door, and often it comes in disguise form of misfortune or temporary defeat. Just like the person that is mentioned by the author, that Edward C. Barnes, that when he was trying to become a business associate of Edison, he started at a very minimal wage or kind of very entry-level job he got in the Edison company. But somehow the opportunity of that insurance or the installation of some product, I'm not able to recollect actually, but that opportunity was not in the correct form. that it does not highlight it, or the it was not in bold capital, but saying that come and become the associate of Edison. It was in some other form. Somehow the person who has a deep or burning desire, who knows that what are his actual goals, those people understand that this opportunity can take me to somewhere. It can take me from the current situation to any better situation that might be a good progress, that can make a good progress in my the goal that I have. So that is the thing that touched me a lot. And other thing that the author mentioned is that it all begins with a state of mind, which is in the state of mind. It is not that something physical thing that will appear in front of you. It all starts with a thinking, that how you feed your mind, how you dwell on those things, and how you set a plan and to achieve them in the near future.
I just want to add
I-
something to the second chapter. Audible, or you heard some noise? I just want to add something from the second chapter. The author talked about his own child. At the time of birth, he was defeat child. Like he don't have that hearing capability. The doctor at that time said he don't have that natural skill of hearing. But the author at that time thought in his brain, I am not going to inculcate my child that you don't have this capability. I will, I will inculcate that you are as normal person as the other people. So with this burning desire in the coming days, with number of things like medical facility or obviously the burning desire, he is able to live his life as same as the ordinary people. So this is something which is great. And in second chapter, there are number of examples that is taken by author like Abraham Lincoln and the Wright brothers for the aeroplane. So this is something which gave us set an example that years ago there are people who just think of it, who just dream, and they achieve their success. And now we are living in 4G, or you can say more in technological era, and we have all the facilities with us. So obviously, if we dream, then we can easily get it. What we have to do is we have that burning desire.
मैं मतलब सौरभ को स्पेशल थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ लाइक फॉर दिस इनिशिएटिव फॉर दिस इनिशिएटिव्स लाइक I am not good at communication in English, so that's why since last many times I was thinking that I didn't get like I didn't got any friends who was quite good in English, so that's why I never got opportunity with whom I can talk in like this kind of conversation. So like this is when the opportunity came, it appear in a different form. So that's why I can relate these quotes with this opportunity. That like since many times I was thinking that I have to develop some soft skills, but I didn't get any opportunity. But अभी कुछ opportunity मिली है जो I can relate these quotes with my personal life also. So special thanks to you and everyone also who comes here and join and share their experience also.